you may have products that are out of stock that are getting fed into your sitemap, messing up all your rankings and whatnot. So there's actually a meta field that Shopify works keys off of out of the box, SEO.hidden. And here is the products feed, and I'm testing with this blue shirt. And there are two workflows, one to remove them from the sitemap and one to add them back in. And so basically we are just triggering on product updated, a little bit of custom code that just adds up the inventory across all the variants. And then we're going to filter and we're going to check and see if that's greater than 0. If it is not greater than 0, if it's less than or equal to 0, we're going to just set that meta field. And so here's the test I ran, but I got to run it again because I reset the old variable. Wish me luck. There we go. All right. So we went ahead and set that. And if we give it the old refresheroo, we should see that there. And then assuming that all the cache is updated, right? Was that the shirt? Blue shirt? Yeah. Come on, cache. Come on, cache. I just tested this half a second ago. And oh, there we go. Okay, it's gone. Blue shirt is gone. It worked. So that's the idea. And then similar deal here, just basically the condition is different. So yeah, hope that helps. Would be happy to help you all get that installed in your account. Just hit us up. Get in touch. Reach out.